Yes, guys, yes. Woo, it's beginning to look a lot like Christmas, right? Guys, welcome back to our channel. It's your girl Trisha. It's your girl Trisha, guys, and
Leo.
so guys, Obi is just coming from work, but we are going out. It's Black Friday. I don't think you say happy Black Friday. You just go out and shop or still and shop online, right? Guys, it's Christmas is just around the corner, so we're gonna see what we can get for Christmas, right? Guys, welcome to all the new subscribers, them too. I see you guys, I see you, young fam. Guys, for all the newcomers though, I hope you enjoy this vlog, and don't forget, if you have not yet subscribed, guys, please remember to subscribe, like, share and comment. Exactly, we're gonna get, babe. You have no idea?
We're gonna look.
Yes, so we're gonna look, guys.
Eye shopping.
Eye shopping. Guys, yeah, we're going to see if we can get like household items, because you know, for Christmas everything have to be new bed set, comforter, and all these things, right? Comment down below if that's a tradition in your family. So when it's Christmas, everything must sparkle, clean, and you basically get new household items. Comment down below, guys, because it's a tradition in my family. Is it one in yours, babe, growing up?
Yeah.
So I already got the bathroom items, new shower curtain mats, some kitchen towels, and some other little things, but you know, I'm looking out for more. We have some other stuff on our list to get. First stop, guys, we're gonna go over Tortuga. They're having a sale. We're gonna see if we can get any liquor alcohol for Christmas. Okay, guys, the alcohol, them look nice. You see it? Ooh, they can like that have a heap of different options. So guys, we're heading to our first Black Friday destination, which is yes, they are one thing you might look for, guys. But all I know is that we'll probably find two things. So guys, the rum cream, guys. Other rum cream though, alcohol. But it's alcohol, guys, so we're not going in there because I don't want Cara to touch anything. So you know, with little kids, they like to touch. That's not the place for them to go. Obi is going in, guys. Gonna see if we can find a sweet Moscato. Baby sweet.
Yes, my friend recommendation.
Leo, is it sweet?
Yes, it's sweet, but not that sweet. But
well, me don't want no bitter.
No, she's saying no bitter. It's nice.
You know, we're not alcohol drinkers unless it's sweet, you know, babe. Oh, how much for it?
$11.
11? No, not bad. What's the name? Sophia. Alright. Never hear about it before. So guys, we bought the equivalent of Jamaican rum cream, and also the equivalent to a sweet wine. So I pray it tastes good, people. This is shopping number 1, and we're going to Cosillas to see what else we can get. Okay? Yes, guys, yes. Ooh, it's beginning to look a lot like Christmas, right? Look at those pretty Christmas trees. It's so cute. The Christmas tree, Araya wants to sleep, guys. Look at she. Araya just as a... Them big. Wait, a one size fits all? What about this? You're surprised they can't fit somebody's head, Leo. If it fits Caro, let's see if it fits Caro. Does it fit Caro?
Too big.
It's too big. Can't fit full head. We're gonna pick up something else, okay?
Can go in the shop, okay?
So unfortunately no Christmas hat people, it's too big. But we're gonna see what else we can get. I'm glad that we already got our rum cream and our sweet wine. Christmas is just, we can smell it now, people. You can smell it too, Leo?
No. That's
Very Christmas. I smell it with the alcohol, man. I just keep my want taste now.
Here we go. Here we go. Yes.
Yeah.
Here we go. Nice.
Yes, good. So guys, we got this. It's not the. It's very expensive. But we want something nice, right?
What did you do that?
All right. So guys, we are going with this. We are going with this. It look nice. Babe, you think we are going with none of this? It look luxurious.
No.
No. Alright, we'll put this. We're not cash this. I'm just to take it off. But yeah. Oh babe, so we're not to buy a sheet set. The sheet sets them actually in there. So they come with sheet sets, the comforter, it even come with a bed skirting. You know.
Carol?
So it's perfect.
Okay. No, we don't want a blender, do we? No?
Me no know. Me no want a blender. You want a blender? The smoothie is something is good enough and no me make.
No, actually, it's
But you know fix it.
yeah, let's just hope it stay that way.
You see anything like toys? When I really see no nice toys with him. Eh, what do you think about this be? No. No little toys. But I'm pleased with this. The sheet set. Looks comfy. Caro, okay?
One candy?
Oh no, oh wow. So guys, this is our say what we got, our stock at Faciles. Not much, just we the sheet set guys. And this cute thing right there. Nothing to write home about. But this is only our first stop. So guys, we're at our second location. This is Price Right. We already got, I'm looking for carpet. You know, B. I look for carpet and bathroom sets, really. That's what me I look for. We already get the comforter. I'm gonna know B if you're still interested, but not in like push on for the sofa.
At the time.
Eh?
If we see something good will make sense.
Well, look cute. Alright. Well, look for big TV, B. $700 people to 70-inch. Rating one. Can be one of your many gifts.
Carol, do you like those? Want the T-Rex? I want this one.
This is cool, Carol. This red one.
Which one?
I like this.
I want this one. Which one do you want, Carol? You want this one? Alright.
It's for Christmas, you know, Carol. You can't open it until Christmas, okay? For your Christmas, Carol, okay?
Carol.
One of them. These are cool, Leo. Look here. the buy, then the buy. And it's ice cream $7.99. Do you not think them the one better? Alright, him good. I just like them here better though. Carol, happy Christmas, you know. We're gonna wrap it. Okay? That's one of your Christmas gifts that you helped to choose. Alright, Papa? It's like this place have more stuff than Casules, babe.
Yeah, but probably have more stuff on sale.
Yeah, on sale. That means. Yeah, go by the other side, but may I look people. I already buy a comforter set, so I wanted a plain one. What are these pretty? Men in a pretty lifestyle.
Them the fire so.
I love this.
Sa taas, para pwede kahit nakahiga tayo.
You think about this?
Where that put that?
Right in a room.
Look nice.
Yeah. You don't match a comforter set there. You know. Alright, I need something to eat here. But what about this? Something's one for all to show over the sofa. Not these, but waiting now. One neutral. Never too small.
If anything like sofa wise, I like one sofa cover.
Yeah, one sofa cover.
Like one something where physically
Can't cover the whole sofa.
cover the whole sofa.
Yeah.
Like meant built to cover the whole sofa.
We
Not
can't-
just one cheap sofa.
Okay. So guys, we got a nice carpet for the room. I like it because they're gonna match the comforter set what we buy. Right? At Christmas, you know, the place have to look Christmassy. Guys, we didn't get nothing much in here, so just a carpet and a towel and a toy for Sweetie Pie.
Yeah, this is yours.
Yes, guys, we're at our final destination. Yes, Foster's. Let's see what Foster's have, if anything. So, guys, yeah. $5 for that alone? I can't $5 be. I will pay $2 something for with something.
One day.
Exactly.
This gonna say the price, but this is $5. One more or something like still.
Yeah.
One car, one
One for Tara, one for Raj.
Guys, we also went and got a few decorations for the Christmas season. We also took up a few other household items. We want to take the opportunity to welcome all our new family, all our new subscribers. Guys, if you have not yet subscribed, though, what are you waiting for? Please hit that subscription button down below. Please like out the video, share, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, bye guys.